Hello and welcome to the Aenova site in Regensburg. My name is Nancy Thiels and I'm happy to present you the Aenova Competence Center for Solid Production containing highly potent APIs. We are proud to deliver life-saving products to patients in all relevant pharma markets worldwide.
Our service offering for solid dosage forms with highly potent APIs spans from development and clinical trial services to high-volume manufacturing and packaging.
We are proud to support our clients starting with pre-formulation service until the development of the final formulation and the final analytical methods.
Since bioavailability is a common challenge, one of Aenova's specialty solutions is hot melt extrusion, for which we have an on-site center of expertise.
With our dedicated GMP production and lab area and our experienced analytical and formulation experts, we make sure that your projects will be successful.
Our competent tech transfer team secures that all development and new tech transfer projects are properly established within our site. For this, we use state-of-the-art methods and equipment. We are permanently updating our equipment to secure flexible and cost-efficient solutions for our clients.
Our modern and flexible equipment trained for solids with highly potent APIs allows for smooth scale-up processes. From small development batches to efficient large-scale commercial production, we can manufacture it all within one organization. We can produce up to 200,000 capsules and 500,000 tablets per hour with automated IPCs and automated visual sorting at maximum efficiency and the very highest quality standards. Knowing that some highly potent products require low volumes, we also support our customers with flexible, small or large batch sizes and various packaging solutions. Packaging options cover both bottles and blisters, respecting all worldwide requirements for serialization and aggregation. We would be delighted to discuss your development and manufacturing needs for highly potent solids and look forward to welcoming you to Regensburg.